Today, I'm gonna share 3 top tips that can increase your rental income up to 50%. So let's get into it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sylvia and this is another YouTube video about how to increase that rental income, how to get more bookings and how to just improve your monthly cash flow through renting your properties. As you know from other videos, I'm passionate about real estate. I'm managing myself a couple of properties. I'm a super host on Airbnb and also an Airbnb ambassador. I'm also a premier partner on Vrbo. So if you guys need any advice or free consultancy on how to be successful with your listing, how to get more rental income through listing your property on Airbnb, check out the link below, get in touch with me and we could prepare that package together for free. Start renting and get some cash flow for you guys. 3 very important things, and I will keep mentioning it over and over in every video on this subject. 3 top tips how to improve your rental income. First of all, as I mentioned in other videos, get professional photo shoot for your property. Unless you're a professional photographer and you have a professional gear and you really know how to shoot interior, I would go to somebody who knows how to do it. Invest that couple of $100 and get those professional pictures done, because that will increase your potential bookings. First of all, your listing will go up there. There are thousands of listings depending which country you're renting your house, but it will be on top of the list if you have professional marketing material, which means professional pictures. A good thing about Airbnb is they actually are happy to pay for your professional photo shoot, to find a photographer for you and advance the payment, organize everything, get one of their best photographers to your house and get that professional photo shoot done. What happens, you don't need to advance any money. When you get bookings, you will pay them back. So let's say the professional photo shoot was $300. So on your next bookings, you make $500, they will deduct that $300 and that's how you will pay them back. It's totally worth it. I just done it with one of my listings and it was even 50% discounted by Airbnb because they are so keen on you guys to have professional pictures. So check out that feature and definitely do it. If not, if you're not renting on Airbnb, if you're renting on other platforms, just get a professional photographer over. It can cost from $100 to a couple of $100, depends what country you are working from and how big is your property and how much time they spend and so on. But it's totally worth it, so please do it. Also very important, here's the bonus tip for you guys to choose correctly that hero shot, that the main shot of your listing, and check it on your computer and check how it looks on your phone, because a lot of people use their phones to book the properties. So have a look if that picture is the best one. Once you get that professional photo shoot, go to a couple of friends, fellow hosts, and ask them their opinion. Make the top 3 of your choice and ask a couple of opinions from your friends and see what's the best photo to be the main photo of your listing, because that's very important and that's how you will attract potential guests and obviously new bookings. Tip number 2. When you got those professional pictures, put at least 30 photos per listing. I know it sounds crazy because when I started out on Airbnb in 2019, I had like 10 pictures and I was still renting the property. But I wasn't getting as many bookings as I do nowadays because they were done on my phone. I did them, it was quick and unprofessional. Yes, 30 pictures per listing, because that will give your potential guests an idea how the house really is from every angle, how every room looks like. Just get the vibe. It does the property for them. Use great lighting, but the professional photographer will know that. And if you have a big house, it's probably really easy to get those 30 pictures. If it's like a studio apartment, it's like, okay, I just have one room, how am I going to get 30 pictures? Then what you do, you add to those, interior pictures of your apartment, you would add, pictures of things to do in your town, like things your guests could visit, and I don't know, local restaurants or a hiking trail or a park or something like really attractive for potential guests to go around and give them an idea what's the area about. I don't know, the beach, how is the beach next to your house, if that's like, a property by the sea. Tip number 3, very easy, but many of you don't do it. Just write on every single picture captions. Captions because it will describe what's actually happening on that picture, what's the room, like bedroom number 2, and what are the best things in that picture. For example, living room, smart TV with Netflix, Amazon and Sky, whatever. Like something like that that will give an idea, or office room with super speed Wi-Fi. Bedroom number 2, super comfy mattress. The reason I want you guys to write those captions is because it does something to the algorithm of your listing. On Airbnb, on Vrbo, it will pump your listing up on the list, just like it will pump this video if you smash that like button. So don't be lazy, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new to it. Don't forget to check out other videos. Comment below and let me know what other subjects are you interested in, and let me know if this video was helpful to you or if you have any questions. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe and share it with other people who are passionate about real estate, who love properties and who do rent their properties. And I will see you on the next one.